Thank you, Sandrajit, for giving me the opportunity to deliver vote of thanks. Respected dignitaries, resource persons, doctors, academicians, researchers, students, and participants from all over India and rest of the world. We have managed to organize an international webinar on management of COVID-19 pandemic, current facts, challenges, and future prospects to share knowledge amongst the participants. To organize a webinar in this turbulent time is difficult, but it become possible because of the hard work and continuous support of some special personnel. At first, I would like to thank our Honorable President, Pratiksha Educational Trust, Dr. Pramod Kumar Sharma sir, for his continuous support and zeal for innovation and excellence. Next, I would like to thank our honorable trustee members, especially Mr. Kulesh Goswami sir, for his wholehearted support. Next, I would like to thank our honorable president, Assam Pharmacy Council, Mr. Munindra Chandra Deka sir, who is always a well-wisher of the Pratiksha Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. The next person to whom I would like to show my gratitude is our Honorable President, Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi, Professor Dr. B. Suresh sir. He is the guiding force behind the development of the pharmacy profession in India, and we are fortunate that he would take time from his busy schedule to deliver us priceless words. Your presence means us a lot. Thank you, sir, once again. Next, I would like to acknowledge to our Honorable Vice Chancellor, Assam Science and Technology University, Assam, Professor Dr. Dhiraj Bora sir, who, in spite of his busy schedule, managed his time to deliver us his valuable speech. He is a continuous source of inspiration for us and provide us his valuable guidance. I'd next like to express my deep appreciation to Honorable Vice Chancellor, Srimanta Shankardeva University of Health Sciences, Assam, Professor Dr. Deepika Deka Madam, for delivering us encouraging speech. In spite of her busy schedule, Madam gave us time and appreciate us a lot for organizing the webinar. Next, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank all resource persons who gave us confirmation to share their knowledge with us. Their confirmation within a short period of time gave us confidence to organize the webinar. I'd like to thank all the advisory board members, the organizing committee members, especially my dear esteemed faculty members, IT team of Pratiksha Group, for their restless effort to make this webinar successful. No webinar is complete without the participants, especially the students who are the real heroes of the future. And I would like to take the opportunity to thank each and every participants from India and the rest of the world to being the part of our webinar. Once again, thanks one and all present in this webinar.